So after opening the little white box, you'll find keys and a deadbolt in there. We're going to take this deadbolt, and since I've already tightened the screws here on the door handle, this guy slides right into those holes. You might have to turn this handle and jiggle it a little bit to make it work, but when it's in there, install this thing with the deadbolt expanded. Now we're going to grab this long flat-headed screw, and it goes right in there to secure the deadbolt into place. Tighten this guy down, and then check the deadbolt for proper operation. If it doesn't work quite smoothly, just loosen this and then move the deadbolt back and forth a little bit until it does go smoothly. But this is pretty good. Now we're going to take these keys and stick them in the outside. See how this is kind of misaligned here? That's not good. This is not seated properly. So I'm going to loosen this screw and realign this deadbolt so that it seats in there appropriately. And then we're going to reattach the screw here. That looks night and day better. Now we'll take these keys and stick them in here. And looks like we're going to have to adjust it a third time. Loosen this. You might also have to loosen the silver screw here and the silver screw on the top just above the door latch, just to get everything to seat the way it should. And then mess around with it to see how it, there we go, that's better. And that is how you install the door handle and the deadbolt.